So here's our umu, all set to go. It's still burning strong. Right now, it's Operation Pickled Pork Low Low, or pork with taro leaves, lu. This is pickled pork. I'm gonna wrap them up in these taro leaves, lu leaves, or put it in your earth oven. So here are our taro leaves, or lu leaves. It's the young leaves of the taro plant. For those who are not familiar with the taro leaves, you can't eat these raw.
Really good on your smoothie.
Don't ever put it in a smoothie because it's not like kale or all of those other leafy vegetables that you use in your smoothies. Please don't do it with this because they can be fatal for your lives. So do not eat them raw. Here you go, first one down.
Second one down.
Oops, sorry. Second one down.
It's best to put the meaty part with one
Fatty part.
so then all the juices will go into the taro leaves. Just to hold it.
It's all done now, ready to go in our umu. About 6 packages. That should be enough for the whole family later on. This is a pork leg and a piece of lamb that we will be having in our umu too. Softening up the banana leaf for wrapping food for the umu.
You have to soften it up so then it will.
So the leaves won't split when you wrap your food in it. It makes the leaf pliable. If you don't heat it up like that, the leaves will easily be split when you try to wrap your food in it, or break, which is no good. So here's our stuff that we're putting in the umu.
This is just a quick umu.
Quick umu. There's many for taros and a little bit of meat tonight's dinner. That's about it. None of the complicated stuff. We'll use coconut cream like the takihi and other bolos and stuff. It's just an easy, quick one. See, no rocks. It's just all metal that we use, which is good. The rocks that we have here on the way, they crumble and turn into powder. So using all that steel, it's good. It doesn't do that. We don't have river rocks like how they have in other islands. So that's why we're just using all this waste metal. So we've covered the cassava.
Yeah, pull. Okay, put it back. Okay, pull. Yeah.
Más horas.
Why we put baskets?
You have to put the basket.
Here it is. So we got the umu down.
This is leaves to cover your stuff. This is pretty heavy, so just
Pork lolos now coming out. That's the pickled pork with the loo that we did before. There we go, the bottom layer of your umu. There we go. Ooh. This smells yummy. Yeah, so now just picking them from the package inside the humu and into this bowl. Little bowl covered in rori. Or laule in the way. This was more mamuki. Laule.
Never seen my face.
Oh, keep quiet, I think. Kalau kau kalau commentate, kia, itu nama light man, right? So there's all our little hoolies, all transferred into the bowl. And also the side of the back.
So this one here, we're just gonna keep this one for lunch tomorrow.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
So this home pretty much done.
Be my boy.
Alrighty. Catch you when we eat them.
Time.
Laters. Here's our kapia, cassava, and our hoolies from the humu.
Pork lolo.
We have lamb over here.
Lamb.
A little bit of cassava, kapia, and huli with the pickled pork lolo. Yum. Lamb here with the taro leaves also. Look at that man. Ooh. Wonderful. Woo. Lamb and taro leaves. This is like my third round. Everybody's eating. That's what's left. Man, they hardly eat anything.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wash it down with
Beauty.
herbal drink.
This is my third and final round. That'll be me for the evening. It's too good. Huli. Lamb.
Man, pickled pork is your favorite. Now.
I think the lamb has stolen the show. Kapia. The partner in crime there on the other side. Still eating like a little kid.
Sounds like a dog. Right?
Beauty.